My name is Condoor. I'm a professor in St. Louis University. I teach uh, aerospace mechanical engineering students, design thinking, machine design, entrepreneurship. That I do work in the area of medical product design, and I do research in design theory methodology.
First question is, what does a typical day in your life look like? Are there any tasks that you look forward to the most?
Typically, I end up teaching one or two lectures a
Okay.
day, sometimes two, sometimes one. So that's a main part of it. Prepping for the lectures is a little bit of time, and doing some research and digging for more information, trying to find more knowledge and things like that. And the best part is you get to meet lots of students during the day.
Second question is, you invented Vayu Wind and described as a hubless wind turbine designed for urban environments. How did you come up with this idea?
So we were lot of times, almost all ideas are copied from somewhere else. There's
Mm,
no such thing as new idea.
right.
Everything has something else. So
Right.
we had a team of students who are working uh, on a wind turbine.
Okay.
And there are two types of wind turbines. One is horizontal axis, one is vertical axis. They happen to be working on a horizontal axis wind turbine. And there was another team working on a car, and we were talking about how about creating a hubless wheel design. The next team was this team doing the wind turbine, and I thought this could be applied to here. So in some respects, it's an accidental thing. You see one plus one, and it comes greater than two, and that's how we started off with this hubless wind turbine. Then you say, what is the advantage of this hubless over the hub wind turbine? And you see lots of advantages, and the idea itself takes shape and has its own uh, route that it follows.
Did you find any obstacles or like hurdles when you encountered like that you encountered in the process of building Vayu Wind?
I wouldn't call obstacles.
Yeah.
There are part of challenges you need to overcome to make any technology to bring it to fruition. Some of them is everything looks good on paper and nothing works when we build. But making it work is the important skill. The persistence is something that I would recommend all the students to have. So when things don't go good, you tell yourself this is one way it doesn't work. There should be other ways you should be overcoming. And most of it comes down to translating things from theory, from paper to practice.
How do you balance like making a system work, which is like engineering, and with like making a system like viable, which is business or market?
You really need to think about three aspects. One is engineering, how can I make it work? The second thing, why would somebody buy it? So you want to make sure that whatever you are designing is something customer would like to buy. The third piece comes is how do we make it so that people can afford to buy this particular product. So there's a business part of it. A good design uh, is technologically viable, okay, and should be market should be able to willing to accept it or would like to have it. Then it should make business sense.
The last question is, do you have any advice for students pursuing engineering?
If you are in high school, make sure that you pay attention to math, pay
Yeah.
attention to physics. Those are really critical if you want to succeed in engineering.
Hmm.
Engineering uh, is not difficult, but not easy either. It's
Right.
one of the challenging one. Okay,
Right.
so be prepared to stretch yourself, try new things. And thing is, in engineering, we fail fast, learn, and we move forward. So be prepared for that. Okay, and what you are doing with extracurricular activities are really, really important. More extracurricular activities you are engaged, more likely you are will be successful engineer. Almost the curriculum is, I would say, 30% of what you learn in engineering school, 60 to 70% is what you learn outside the classroom.
Going off of that, I think there are other school clubs that are a good idea for students to join in high school or even starting from middle school to get the experience that they want when they actually go into this field.
What I recommend is try many clubs. There's no wrong one.
Yeah.
Every one of them you learn that I like this subject or I don't want to be ever touching this particular subject. So you keep trying different things, then that helps you figure out where you want to go in your life.